Are you searching best product for purchase from online marketplace? You must know the best product selection. BD Technical Master gives you top 5 best products list. Happy buying partner forever.
BD Technical Master present top 5 best kitchen faucets review. Number 1. Delta Faucet as a pull-down kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer, kitchen sink faucet, faucets for kitchen sinks, single handle, magnetic docking spray head, Arctic stainless 9113 RDST, a soft, modern take on Euro design with subtle detailing accents make the a smooth, sophisticated focal point for your kitchen. Delta faucets with diamond seal technology perform like new for life. They reduce leak points, are less hassle to install and last twice as long as the industry standard. Easy to install with Duramount mounting system. All but eliminates leaks with one-piece supply lines and diamond seal valve, featuring a diamond embedded ceramic disc. Number 2. Krause K596 SCH.
At Krause, we're driving industry standards forward. We are proud to introduce a new standard in kitchen faucets with Bolden, a faucet with industrial design, customized to fit the needs of your home. Crafted from solid brass and designed with a drip-free ceramic cartridge, it's built to last. With a compact 18-inch height, Bolden fits where other commercial-style faucets will not. The high arc spout with open coil accent offers ample clearance for filling large pots and pitchers. Equipped with an easy retract, flexible nylon hose, Bolden allows you to reach every hard-to-hit corner of your sink. Easily change between the aerated stream and spray functions at the flip of a switch. Experience the new standard in kitchen faucet design with Bolden. Quality, designed for a better kitchen. Krause, innovation for real life.
Number 3. Kohler K596 Versus.
Kohler works tirelessly to enhance life in the kitchen. The result? We bring you practical innovations that help make daily kitchen tasks a little easier to get done. Docknetic is our magnetic docking system that securely locks the spray head in place, which means no more sagging or dangling spray heads. Our innovative sweep spray features a blade of water that helps make light work of dirty dishes and sweeps dirt and debris into the drain. ProMotion technology is featured on all of our pull-down and pull-out kitchen faucets. It ensures the hose won't kink or tangle and provides smooth operation with minimal effort. Practical innovations for the busy kitchen.
Number 4. Moen 7185 SRS. For over 80 years, Moen has been dedicated to designing products that you can rely on for a lifetime. Spot resist stainless finish resists fingerprints and water spots for a cleaner looking kitchen. Equipped with a reflex system for smooth operation, easy movement and secure docking of the spray head. Moen's exclusive Power Boost technology offers a faster clean and faster fill with the push of a button. Features Duralock Quick Connect system for easy installation. Number 5. U-Faucet Faucets. Pull down spray. One features a long hose providing a 20-inch reach. Hot and cold water control kitchen faucet with the best pressure spray. Brushed nickel and ceramic disc valve. Resists scratches and corrosion. High arch spout and 360-degree rotation. Offers more room pots, pans and superior clearance for sink. 10 years warranty. 90-day money back guaranteed. When you order today, you're protected by a 100% money back guarantee and a free no hassle lifetime replacement warranty. Escutcheons, also called base plates or deck plates, are ornamental plates that cover additional holes and allow installation of a one-hole faucet on a 3-hole sink.